So recent rainfall in Delhi NCR region and heavy snowfall in the mountainous states of India. The reason is the active western disturbances and their interaction with the easterly winds. So western disturbances, they carry moisture from the Mediterranean Sea because they're flowing from that region, so it is able to pick up the moisture. And also because of Himalayas being acting as a natural, we can say, barrier, it leads to heavy rainfall in the northern Indian region and the northwestern Indian states. Plus, its interaction with the easterly winds has been causing more of rainfall and also certain cyclonic disturbances. So 40 mm of rainfall have been recorded in the Delhi NCR region in one day. So this is again breaking the record of past 100 years also. Because generally November and December are the driest month of the year in the northern India.